Highland Hub provides tools to help you run your business easily and efficiently with the goal of enhancing operations, easing the regulatory burden, and maximizing your finished good returns. Highland Hub is an easy-to-use yet powerful digital ecosystem designed to streamline workflows across departments and through the supply chain. I'm going to walk you through some features that Highland Hub has to offer. FS365, our food safety piece, is where you can start with daily logs and end with your audit report. Food Safety FS365 offers the tools needed to ensure your entire operations food safety documentation is audit ready 365 days a year on a virtual platform. In the supplier portal section, you are able to organize company suppliers with ease, export supplier documentation requests to your suppliers as an external link to avoid having to track down documentation. Crop IQ is our farm management piece, and it is designed to help growers manage crop protection and fertilizer application records more effectively by the ability to run custom reports, see farm inventory, and receive REI and PHI notifications all in real time. With our Manage Seasons piece, you can record custom planting information, which includes variety, plant ID, plant date, vendor, lot number, and custom fields. Record accurate plant spacing to calculate net acreage. In the Scouting section, you are able to complete live scouting reports by dropping a pin in a field and noting what the pest, disease, and threshold is. You can attach pictures and notes to better determine the plan of action for your operation. In the Lab section, you can record, organize, and run reports on lab results from your operation. There is potential for this section to link directly to your lab company to eliminate the loss of paper lab results. All of this just touches the surface of the capabilities of Highland Hub. Truly a software designed with you in mind.